Number 1. The 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $6,200, located in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts, is a classic muscle car featuring a 289 V8 engine and an automatic transmission that is still matching numbers, meaning it retains its original factory-installed engine and transmission. The car has undergone several repairs and upgrades, including a new Holley carburetor and an updated braking system with new brake lines. Additionally, it has a new fuel tank and fuel lines, optimizing its fuel system. In terms of features, this car comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. The body is still solid with no rust or major damage. Aftermarket wheels give a sportier look, and the hood stripe in black add an aggressive touch. The car runs, brakes, and stops well. It comes with a clean title. Overall, this is a solid example of a Cougar XR7, making it a great candidate for a light restoration project or an enjoyable turnkey driver. Number 2. The 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $99,500, located in Middleburg, Pennsylvania, is powered by a modified 383-stroker engine with aluminum heads, roller rockers, and an aggressive camshaft, giving a distinct lopey sound. The transmission is a TH350, while the rear end has been upgraded with a 4.10 Posey differential and spool, making it ideal for drag racing or high-performance street driving. The adjustable rear suspension provides flexibility and handling setup. Mechanically, the car runs and drives well, but the exterior needs attention as the clear coat is peeling. The interior is somewhat rough, requiring refurbishment, particularly on the dashboard and door panels. The engine bay is tidy, featuring several aftermarket components, but the radiator has been replaced. Overall, this isn't a show car, but it is a solid candidate for a high-performance street or strip build. The owner may consider trades for other vehicles. Number 3. The 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $8,500, is located in Cleveland, Ohio. This car is in excellent overall condition. On the exterior, the light blue paint gives a classic and appealing look. Although it's not perfect, the body remains straight with no major signs of damage. The interior is also in outstanding condition, with the seat still covered in protective plastic, showing that it has been well cared for. The original dashboard and steering wheel are well preserved, adding to the car's vintage charm. Under the hood, a powerful 350 V8 engine with a dual exhaust system delivers an aggressive sound, indicating strong performance. It features an automatic transmission equipped with a speed shifter, along with some upgrades, such as a new carburetor and battery, ensuring that the car is ready to drive without any issues. New tires further enhance stability and driving comfort. Overall, this car is an attractive option for classic car enthusiasts looking for a road-ready vehicle with strong character and the iconic styling of the 1960s. Number 4. The 1972 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $9,500, located in New York, New York, is a classic luxury coupe still in fairly good condition for its age. Purchased from the original owner's family, the car has 2 small rust spots, but overall the body remains solid. Almost all features are functional, although the sunroof has not been tested. It recently received a new carburetor, oil change, and new spark plugs, allowing the engine to start and run smoothly. The car has been test-driven for a short distance, and the braking system works well. The odometer reads 49,000 miles, but based on documentation of the instrument cluster replacement, the actual mileage is estimated to be around 72,000 miles. The interior remains fairly well preserved, featuring luxurious gray leather seats, though the headliner has fallen. Fortunately, all interior trim pieces are available in the trunk for reinstallation. This car is a great example of the late-era Imperial, showcasing its elegant design and Chrysler's signature comfort. Number 5. The 1964 Mercury Comet, priced at $10,000, located in Carterville, Georgia, is a classic sedan in mostly restored condition. From the available photos, the body appears very solid and glossy, featuring a black paint job with chrome trim in good shape. The rear end showcases signature 1960s taillight styling with 4 round taillights and a Comet emblem still intact. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine that was restored in 2019 and now runs a Holley Sniper EFI system, replacing the old carburetor for better performance and efficiency. The interior is bright red, featuring reupholstered seats, a refreshed dashboard, and updated door panels. The classic dashboard instruments are functional, including the speedometer and heating system. According to the specs, this car has a 2-speed Mercomatic automatic transmission, manual drum brakes on all 4 wheels, and manual steering with no power assist. While it may not be a show-winning car, the Comet is completely rust-free and has received some modern upgrades like LED headlights and taillights, ensuring it stands out on the road. The seller states that the car is currently in storage in Cartersville, not frequently used, and is looking for a new owner who will take good care of it. Number 9. The 1991 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D, priced at $5,000, located in North Billerica, Massachusetts, is in fairly good condition overall, though it does show some signs of wear and use. The exterior is clean with shiny red paint job, accented by black stripes on the hood. The body has no major damage, and the car has been garage stored for the last 3 years before being passed down to its current owner. The seller has spent nearly $5,000 on repairs, including new tires, an electrical system check, a new battery, alternator, and starter. The steering wheel has been replaced with an aftermarket wooden one, giving it a classic look. The door panels and dashboard are in decent shape, though some areas show slight wear due to age. Under the hood, the engine appears well maintained but may need some minor refreshing. Number 7. The 1972 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $7,000, located in Randolph, Vermont, features a 318 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Visually, it is striking with its bold red color and some modifications, but has significant structural and mechanical issues. The frame has been patched, and the rear quarter panels are fiberglass and Bondo, indicating major past repairs. The engine is knocking, suggesting serious internal issues, and the transmission may also need a rebuild. While the car is technically drivable, it is not in optimal condition for daily use. The body panels and glass are still in good condition, making it a valuable parts car. The seller originally purchased it for $12,000 and now feels they overpaid. The car is only available with a bill of sale, with no complete documentation, which may complicate registration. Number 8. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $5,250, located in Chandler, Texas, is powered by an inline-6 250 engine with an automatic transmission. This car remains in great condition for its 51-year age. The exterior has some minor rust, dents, and scratches, but it still appears solid. The blue paint still looks decent, though not perfect. It comes equipped with power steering and a functioning heater, while the braking system is in good shape. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the car is claimed to run very well. The current owner uses it as a daily driver, and only fills it with ethanol-free gasoline to maintain its performance. All electrical systems work properly, except for the radio, which is non-functional. The interior is simple, with seat cover protecting the original upholstery. Overall, this is a solid and well-maintained Nova. Number 9. The 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, priced at $6,300, located in Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts, is in fairly good condition overall, though it does show some signs of wear and use. The exterior is clean with shiny red paint job, accented by black stripes on the hood. The body has no major damage, and the car has been garage stored for the last 3 years before being passed down to its current owner. The seller has spent nearly $5,000 on repairs, including new tires, an electrical system check, a new battery, alternator, and starter. The steering wheel has been replaced with an aftermarket wooden one, giving it a classic look. The door panels and dashboard are in decent shape, though some areas show slight wear due to age. Under the hood, the engine appears well maintained but may need some minor refreshing. Number 10. The 1964 Mercury Montclair, priced at $7,995, located in Tucson, Arizona, is a classic sedan that retains many original elements. It is powered by a 390 CI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs smoothly and does not emit smoke, despite its age. The power windows are functional, including the rear window, which can roll up and down, a unique feature of this model. While the AC system is non-functional, the car remains visually striking with decent paint and a custom flaked roof, giving a low-rider aesthetic. Classic Supreme wheels and thin white wall tires add to its cruiser appeal. The engine bay is clean, with several new components installed by the previous owner. However, there are oil and transmission leaks, though not severe. The odometer is not functional, so the exact mileage is unknown. Overall, this is a great cruiser for enthusiasts, whether they plan to maintain its current look or transform it into a full lowrider build. Number 11. The 1956 Ford Custom Line, priced at $6,000, located in Laconia, New Hampshire, is in decent shape for its age, with many repairs already completed, though it is not yet fully restored. It retains its original 2,123 inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed column-shift transmission, 3 on the tree. The body is solid with only minor rust that does not compromise the structure. The interior has been updated, including new seat padding and covers, as well as freshly installed carpet. Several major mechanical components have been replaced, such as new tires and upgraded braking system, including new brake hoses, shoes, and wheel cylinders, a new clutch, and refurbished fuel system with a new tank and fuel lines. The cooling system has also been serviced with new radiator hoses, heater hose fittings, and freeze plugs. The truck bed has been coated with Rhino liner for durability, and the brake and turn signal lights have been updated. Number 12. The 1964 Buick Electra 225, priced at $7,500, located in Graham, Washington, is a 6-window hardtop model that has retained its classic appearance fairly well. The exterior is solid, though there is rust on the lower fenders. The car is powered by a 425 Super Wildcat engine with dual carburetors, delivering the powerful performance expected from a luxury car of the 1960s. Several repairs have been made, including new brakes, new shock absorbers, and a dual exhaust system, which enhances both performance and ride comfort. The interior remains original, with some minor damage to the front seat upholstery. However, all windows function properly. Some minor issues need to be addressed, such as the AC, radio, and glove box latch. Overall, this is a classic car that is still roadworthy, requiring only a few restoration touches to bring it to top condition. Number 13. The 1956 Pontiac Star Chief, priced at $8,500, located in Shelton, Washington, is a classic sedan featuring a 2-tone body, white and peach, that remains fairly solid. The car is in running and drivable condition. All glass is in good shape, although the passenger side rear window is not operational. However, the owner has the window crank and plans to fix it when the weather improves. The interior is mostly original, showcasing a 1950s-era design. However, there are signs of wear and aging, including worn-out seat upholstery and a faded dashboard. The engine is complete and still operational. The lighting system works, including the fog lights, but the heater fan is not functioning. The exterior has some minor imperfections, such as scratches and scuffs on certain body panels. Overall, the seller may consider trade offers in addition to cash sales. Number 14. The 1957 Chevrolet 210 wagon, priced at $5,000, located in Fayetteville, Tennessee, is a project car requiring significant restoration work. Mechanically, the car starts and moves around the yard, but it is not roadworthy as the brakes are non-functional. It is powered by a small block V8 engine, likely original, paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission which functions properly in all gears. Several new components have been installed, including a 4-barrel intake manifold, a rebuilt quadrajet carburetor, a new water pump, spark plugs, an ignition system upgrade, and new transmission mounts. Currently, the fuel system relies on a temporary fuel jug and requires a permanent solution. The body has significant rust, especially on the floor panels. However, it comes with many new parts, such as a factory exhaust system, sway bar, and brake hoses, as well as some original components. Restoring this car will require both mechanical and structural work before it can be roadworthy again. Number 15. The 1991 Lincoln Town Car, priced at $800, located in Bend, Oregon, is a decent running vehicle but with some common aging issues. Mechanically, the engine runs and is used daily, but the transmission has been problematic for the past 6 months. Recent maintenance includes new coil packs and spark plugs. The interior is complete but worn, with ripped leather seats and some missing or poorly installed trim pieces. Only the driver's side window works, while the others require gear replacements to operate again. The car has been modified with an upgraded sound system, including a Bluetooth stereo deck and 2 built-in subwoofers in the trunk, though the left front speaker occasionally vibrates in cold weather. The exterior shows paint peeling on the hood and rear bumper, along with various scratches and signs of wear. The tires are good for another 8 months, but the car is not ideal for snow driving due to its rear-wheel drive setup and heavy body. The suspension is comfortable, offering a smooth, floating ride. The trunk is very spacious, and it comes with 4 new OEM brake rotors and front/rear brake pads, which just need to be installed. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for its size, making this a functional yet inexpensive classic daily driver. If you're interested, please check the description of this video. If it's not there, that means it has already been sold or has been removed by the owner.